In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email link in Framer, allowing users to easily send an email by clicking a specific element. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Framer project. If you're not familiar yet with Framer, it's an incredibly powerful tool that enables designers to create and prototype interactive interfaces with remarkable ease. Once your project is open, take a moment to navigate to the specific page where you want to add that email link. As you review the layout, it's crucial to think about where this email link will fit in best, considering both the user experience and your design integrity. Choose an element that not only makes sense aesthetically, but also maintains the functionality you're aiming for. This cohesion ensures that users will find the link intuitive and helpful. Now look over to the right side of your screen and find the section labeled Linked To. This is where you'll insert your mail to link, a hyperlink designed to open up an email message in the user's default email client. In the link field, you'll type mail to, followed by the email address you want to use. For instance, you would enter mail to sampleonly@gmail.com. It's critical to enter this without extra spaces or errors because even the smallest typo can disrupt the entire function of your link. It would be good to go over these details more than once to ensure every character is correct and every part of your link works flawlessly. When you're sure everything is accurate, go ahead and click Publish to push your changes live. This ensures that your users can now seamlessly access and use the new email link within the project. Consider that an effective link is not just about pure functionality. Design, usability, and understanding the needs of your users play a massive role in creating the best possible experience. Reflect on how this link fits within your overall design and enhances communication. Congratulations on successfully adding an email link in Framer. This skill not only boosts communication, but also adds to the efficiency of your web design projects. Every step you take in mastering tools like Framer is a step towards greater design capabilities. Keep refining your techniques and exploring new ways to implement them into your projects. Happy designing!